YouTube. How y'all doing this morning, man? It's like 8:30 in the morning right now, and we are starting our day off. About to go to the rail. Pulling up right now. Pick up a load from here, and we are going to start our day off. So I know it's been this week was good. It was good, you know. I just wasn't feeling too motivated to record videos, but today is my last day, so I wanted to do it at least one time in a week. So far we only got 2 loads that we are going to be doing. They might add some more, depending on how fast I can get done with these. So I'm going here. I'm about to check in, and yeah, I know hopefully our load is ready. It's always best when it's ready. Well, let me not say it's always best, because sometimes it be ready, but the equipment, the chassis that they put it on be bad because they don't care, and I mean you have to switch out that whole container. And yep, so our load's not ready yet, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go find a chassis. So we're gonna go find a chassis and then wait for the crane to bring our load. Sheesh. Yeah, looking at the view, yo, it's a lot of content. Wow, I don't think I ever seen it this packed before. This is a lot. Then the train still got a lot of containers on it too. Man, hopefully we can get ours and get out of here quick. But yeah, guys, so right now what we're gonna do is find a chassis and take it to the location that our load is going to be, and wait there for the crane to drop our load. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the whole process of how we do that. So it's telling me a location to get the chassis, but the thing about those is that it never be at those locations. So the chassis never be at the location that the system is telling you. So all you got to do is find a good chassis that doesn't have any problem with it, and take that to where your load is going to be. So it's telling me somewhere around here, in this particular slot right here, but yeah, I don't think we're gonna find any reliable chassis around here. So I passed one, so let's see if this one is good. Hopefully it is. They just inspected last month, so it should be good. All right, but first thing first, make sure these lug things are working. So we're gonna connect our airlines. Our electrical line. Make sure all the lights are working. Okay, and we're gonna do our service line. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go around, finish doing the pre-trip, and I'll turn you guys back home once we get moving again. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I just got done with the pre-trip and everything seems to be good. So we are lucky today. We found our chassis pretty quick, and now we are going to take it to our location where our load is going to be. They don't usually let people cut in front of them, so you gotta always be careful with those with the yard drivers, because for some reason they don't obey the same rules that we have to obey. You know, I mean, I'm pretty sure because they got a lot going on and they know the yard better than most people. So they just be, well, some of them, I'm not gonna say all of them, but some of them just skip the stop sign and they go in ways that we are not allowed to go. So we are going to the track side. Gotta always be careful. Make sure the train is not operating. Y'all see the crane? We're gonna let this guy move. But yeah, you guys, it's actually way harder, like moving or maneuvering these chassis, because they're so sensitive. You know, just a little bit of turn and they're going to the utmost spiral direction that you don't want them to go to. Let me see, this is in the 250, so okay, we are going this way. So you gotta be really careful. Alright. I don't like the way that's going. Let's pull up a little bit. Y'all see how fast he's going? All right. And we are good. I'm just gonna turn you guys back on once the crane is delivering our load, and show you guys throughout the day how today goes. All right guys, so we just got done getting our loads, as you can see from that last clip of the crane jumping off our load. So now I'm about to head out and go deliver this load, and yeah, go from there to our pickup. So see you guys in a bit. Hey y'all, ladies and gentlemen, we about to drop this off. Well, so I already backed it in there, so now we just unhook from everything, and should we pull this off? All right. Like that's stuck. I have to take care of that. I was trying to get the trailer. I was trying to back it up without pulling up, but I don't know. Every time I'm recording, for some reason, I always have to do a pull up. But yeah, that was just a quick little backing up. This thing is not pulling out, so let's see. When it does that, I have to do like a, there we go. All right, so now we about to go see if they have any empty, and yeah, I'll tell you guys back on and see where we heading to next. All right, y'all, so turn out they don't have any empties here, so now we about to go do some searching. So I know a few places around here that do be having some of our empties, so I'm just gonna go check them out, and hopefully they have some for us, and then we can go to our next pickup location. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys once I do find one, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alrighty, y'all, we are at our first location. This is a U-line, so hopefully they have an empty. I'm not sure. I'm about to go look around and maybe ask them if they have any. I see a lot of our trailers here, but I'm not sure if they're empty. So yeah, let me see. I don't see nobody. There usually be a yard driver around here, but I don't see any yet. So yeah, I'm gonna go check with them in the office and see if they have any, and if not, then we'll go to our next location. So I did found an empty. They actually have like several empties here, so we are going to be taking this one. I already hooked up and pre-trip and everything, so yeah, so we're gonna be taking this one and head over to our pickup now, and I will keep you guys updated. Back, guys, so we are going to drop off this empty and pick up a load from here and take it to the rail. So I just noticed they gave me another load for the day, so once I checked in over here, I'm about to park and pick up that load. I'll get back to you guys and tell you where we might be going next. Alright, y'all, so we just checked in, and right now about to drop this trailer off. We picked up our load. So as y'all can see, man, local, you're gonna have to do a lot of backings. So that's another difference. Like driving over the road, you don't really do too many backings. You know, but being local, this is multiple times a day you're gonna be backing in places. Some are super tight and some are so not so tight. So there it is, man. I ain't gotta pull up this time, y'all. See, so I'm about to unhook from this and then look for our load. And yeah, after we deliver this one, they got us picking up like a, say, chassis. So we gonna be taking it from a yard to one of the rails. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving again. So yep, checked out. Now on the way to go drop this load off at the rail, and from there, when we leave the rail, we are going to be bobtailing out. So that just means we're not gonna be picking up anything from there. We just gonna leave with the truck itself and go back to where we started from and pick up something else from there. So I'm gonna show you how the whole process, you know, how it goes. So yeah, just come along and enjoy the ride.